So you tried dropshipping and thought you would be swimming in cash by now? But instead, you are drowning in Shopify bills, Facebook ad errors, and zero sales. Yeah, same. Let's talk about why this easy money side hustle is not so easy, and what actually works without losing your mind or your entire savings. You heard. Just find a winning product. Throw up a store. Run some ads. Watch the money roll in. Reality. Product flops. Ads flop. Confidence flops. You flop into bed wondering where it all went wrong. Step 1. Product that does not suck. Find something that solves a real problem or makes people go, "Oh my God, I need that." Not, "Why would I buy this from a random website?" Step 2. Make your store look like you care. No one is buying from trendytechdeals.biz with blurry photos. Clean design. Real branding. Pretend it is your baby. Step 3. Content is greater than ads at first. Make TikToks or Reels like your life depends on it. Try dumb trends. Try weird hooks. Post 2 to 3 per day. One video hits? Boom. Free traffic. And no, you do not have to dance. Step 4. Only run ads once you are sure people actually want your thing. Start with small budgets, not your rent money. We are not gambling. We are testing. Step 5. Do not ghost your business after a week. It takes time. If this was that easy, Jeff Bezos would be dropshipping fidget spinners too. Dropshipping works. If you treat it like a business, not a lottery ticket. You are going to hit roadblocks, dead ads, late shipping, customers who think you are Amazon Prime. That is normal. It is not failure. It is just Tuesday. Remember, skills are greater than shortcuts. Now go out there and maybe make your first sale or at least your first viral TikTok.